Hi, I'm Patchyderm. Join me on my adventures into the woods. As you can see, there's lots of cool plants here. I like plants. They're green and they make me happy. This rock is cool. It has a lot of holes in the depths of the ocean. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. Boy, oh boy, is it getting rocky. I have tennis shoes that are half falling off my feet. But that's alright. Oh dude, it's me. What's up, me? Yo. We made it to a stream. It's pretty cool. Water. What a beautiful day it is. Hello. Thank you. Thank you for joining the Patchyderm Wildlife Series. I'll continue sometime in the foreseeable future. Bye.